Today I've got an easy, beautiful spring Easter craft. All you need are a few supplies for these pressed flower candle votives. The kids are home for spring break and I had a few projects in mind for Easter. One went amazingly well and the other did not at all. I wanted to try pressed flowers on candle votives, so we went for a walk and picked up a variety of blooms, pressed them in books, and waited for them to dry a bit.
Okay, you can check the book by this page.
We went to the Dollar Tree, didn't find much, but we did score 4 votives and some paintbrushes. We went to Target as well to get Mod Podge, napkins, and paintable eggs. They had so many cute things.
Oh, here's some. Ooh, these look nice. We're gonna do these. Ooh.
For this craft, all you have to do is paint an even layer of Mod Podge on the votive, then arrange the pressed flowers and leaves on the glass, and then use a layer on top as well to seal in the flower. Let it dry, and that's it. If you don't have flowers blooming yet, you can buy beautiful pressed flowers online. This project was messy, so I definitely recommend laying down a disposable tablecloth for the kids. And we were so happy with the way they turned out. I definitely do this again, or even as part of a craft party would be fun. The second project I had in mind was to Mod Podge flower napkins on paintable Easter eggs. I've seen this done and it looks so pretty, but this did not work very well, either because of their little hands or the type of napkin I bought. I'm not sure, but the kids made a huge mess. You can't win them all. That's it for today, but I've got lots of Easter ideas over on my blog, housemixblog.com, including resurrection egg printable, how I color code the eggs for each child, and even table setting ideas. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you next time.